Quiron Herman's a tight end at receiver and ripper.
Yeah.
He's going inserting at the back.
Ah, great line.
Good take by Harry Bell at the back. Brave throw in these conditions, peeling off though.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a momentum now. Sachs on
And
the
then loop
corner.
met Boland Landbou.
Bernard need to get back and stop this one. It could go. Sachs could go all the way. Yeah.
Baie mooi
try.
dryf. Baie mooi dryf deur
20
Sachs.
meter more try against Boland. That doesn't get better than that for Sachs. Beautiful back ball taken thrown by Sango Zanko, the captain.
Lyk of Jaden Brits sy linkerboot gaan gebruik daar.
Ah, beautiful
Kyk
left
hoe
foot.
mooi hou daar in die wind. Aanslaan.
That's the
Daar
advantage,
sy
Boland.
het hom terug. Brits daar sit hom neer. Aangevat deur Derek Messina, Derek de Pre wat dan hardloop hier vorentoe. Mooi loopie deur hom. Jaden wag vir die bal na Pieter Berg. Is uit en sy klein skoppie oor die pad. Is dit daar? Oh, baie naby geweest, baie goed gedoen deur Sachs.
Very close. Lange Moyu just intercepting.
Holding
it.
daar en dis 'n strafskop. Oh, ongelukkig.
Working around the
Oh.
corner. Playing the 9 maybe. No.
Nou,
Sango
luckily
Zanko, the
hy
captain.
het uitgetrek daar so om seker te maak dat hy nie hom gespeel het nie.
Another
Maar
penalty
daar not rolling
advantage.
away.
Satole that time to Stefan Kruger.
Elke keer Sachs in die gebied kom van Boland Landbou, dan maak hulle dit definitief
Yeah, they got a
tel.
penalty advantage. Should have come away with at least 3 points here. Carrick, the man who started with that steal on the ground in the wide channels. Daniel Grant
Hy
coming back
binne toe
inside.
gebreek weer. Daar is 'n man se broek weer weg. Second time today.
Sachs should probably take the points here. Sachs, I suppose. Chips that one over.
Ja. 8-3 vir 8-0 vir Sachs. 8-0 vir Sachs.
Even if it's just 3 points, it'll be good for them. But
John Visagie weer. Oh,
That'll
en
be
dit's 'n
another penalty.
penalty en hier kom die geel kaart.
probably a card coming. He just warned Boland about their discipline. Sachs will probably kick the touch and Morley again.
Maar ek dink nie daai bal is uit nie. Pieterberg
touch.
staan hom binne.
Peter Berg kicks by Daniel Grant taking
Nee,
it
baie
in.
goeie skop gewees daar nie.
Not the best kick by, and you're going to get penalised again. It's kicked by
Almost
Skills.
pulled it there.
Missed the first one, but he's bounced back well with 2 nicely taken penalties.
En 'n ekstra defender in die backline nou vir Sachs.
Yeah. Fox.
Maar hoor, en daar's 'n fout wat deur geskop word. Is ongelukkige aanslaan gewees daar deur Sachs wat die skeieregter gesien het.
I didn't see that, but anyway.
Ja.
And also there's no 8th man to pick and go
Yeah.
blind there. But Brits has got himself. He's having a go. He's a
Sterk
good player.
genoeg.
He's
Hy
a
moet
good
nou
player.
trek en
This could be a
speel.
try.
Trek en
Should be a
speel.
try. Well, I thought if he'd passed it, he might have scored, but
Gianne van Bo wat nou die bal het. Wat
offloaded
vir
it to
Divan
somebody.
Grobler die bal gegee het. En Divan Grobler is oor om hy 3 te
No,
gedruk
he
het.
says no. Change his mind. I think.
Nee.
Ref was unsighted there, unfortunately for Boland. He was on the wrong side. He might
Nee,
have
hy het die 3 gegee. Dit lyk
given
vir my
it.
so. En maar Gianne van Bo het baie goed gedoen om haar deur te trek en dan kon offload vir Divan Grobler.
nice
Goeie
line
lyn
up there.
staan. Berg is op daarso. Maar wie's daar wat jaag? Daar's niemand wat jaag nie.
Fox.
En hy's reg deur.
He's broken clear. The 2 men with him. Stefan Kruger out the back door to Sipe. Sipe carries with the 22, settling for quick ball now. Forbes is there. Quiron Herbans. He tucks and goes.
Vat
The
hom
big
op
man.
daar.
Sachs on the front foot now. Sawuka. Forbes setting up, so playing slowly now. Daniel Grant carrying into contact.
Mooi teruggeplaas daar deur die Sachs speler.
Pushed it back nicely. Sawuka at the back. Carrick. He's going to get met now. He's obviously offload. Kieran Lekay is penalty to Sachs. I'm not sure what that was for, but no. Middle ball. Harry Bell brings it down. They've got most of the team in there. They stayed on their feet. Bullet on the ground. Sachs get it down.
3 daar, baie mooi dryf.
Try there. What's his skills on
I must
target?
stop.
Beautiful kick right through the middle of the poles. Sax got to defend for their lives. It's difficult close to the line.
Daar
with Big
tel hy
Ben.
weer op. Same side, same side.
Pops it off.
Andre Leroux is onkant, skynsregter sê onkant.
The margins are so small there. You're trying to keep meters.
Weer mooi vorentoe gebeur deur Boland Landbou.
Boland playing with advantage. You can probably bring it out to one of the Oxers, Dante Christians, or one of the Oxers.
Ja,
Have a crack in the middle.
Jaden wag vir hom. Jaden wag vir hom. Pieter Berg
goes
self.
himself.
Net geduldig wees daar. Dante hierdie bal, Dante Christian se bal. Ja, hy het hom weer.
Very muddy.
Andre
on the
Leroux,
poles there.
daar gaan die Oxie, Jason Ox.
And
Boeta
Ox.
Jaden Ox. Pieter Berg het hom daar. John Visagi.
Oh, it must be close there now. Good ball, good ball. Brits. Pieter Berg ducking back
En
inside.
Pieter Berg is oor om die 3 te druk. Boland Landbou baie mooi gedoen daar, baie bietjie beter.
Boland still need to score though. They can't rely on a penalty or drop kick. Jaden Brits.
Jaden Brits baie goeie skopper, stelskopper paal toe.
Is the playmaker. Brits is going to make it happen for his team here now.
Pieter Berg wat inkom, Derek Messina wat nou die bal vorentoe vat.
They need to hold on to the ball now, Boland.
Ja.
The playmaker Brits is going to weave his magic. He's doing it. He's
Fransjo de Villiers vir Aleid Stander. Aleid Stander wat die bal dan daarso mooi vat. Pieter Berg wat hom vat. Blyk de Kok wat vorentoe vat. Wat afgaan daar, blyk is reg deur. Blyk de Kok is reg deur.
He's been playing centre most of the
Hy
season.
gee daar vir Johanne van Bo. Johanne van Bo. En is in die hoekie en hy druk die 3.
Unbelievable.
Baie
Blake
mooi
de Kok has played centre most of the season.
Yeah.
Ran like a centre there. 4 minutes to go with the kick to come. There'll probably be about 3 left and the kickoff comes. Jaden Brits. What a
Hy
player.
skop
What a
hom
player.
reg so waar wat hy skoor. Uitsit dat of 'n lyn staan van daar of ek
It
sê
looks
van
like
ver
they
of wat
run an
hardloop.
exit play, set it up with Dante Christians. They're using the blind side here. 8-9. Brits can put in his boot. One back by Saxo.
Sax. Oh, vorentoe aanslaan daar deur
Knocked down
nommer
by
10
Forbes again.
en 'n penalty. Offsides.
Time is up,
Yep.
says the referee, Pintus van der Merwe. He needs to kick this dead, if nothing else. He's missed it, he's missed it, but it's gone dead.
And it's gone dead, like you said.
And that's the ball
And
game.
it's a steal for Boland Landbou, I think, today. I think Sax played a very good game. And yeah.
Sax a little bit unlucky. They've probably dominated most facets of the game. Boland were their own worst enemies for a large part of that game. Gave away a lot of penalties in
a lot
that
of
game.
penalties, a lot of ongeduldig geweest.
Managed to pull it through at the end. It would be